These are all the hand tools that will be required to perform this job. First on the table would be an 18mm socket. Next would be a 15mm combination wrench. Following that would be the 1/2-inch ratchet. Lastly, we have the 1/2-inch torque wrench. The only supporting tool that we needed to carry out this procedure was the standing jack. The standing jack is used to support the axle so that when the shock is removed, this axle will not drop. Double check to make sure it is stable. After the standing jack has been set, begin the procedure by removing the bottom bolt of the shock. You remove the bolt by placing the wrench on the bolt, then using the ratchet on the nut. Remove the nut and slide out the bolt. The top bolt is the same procedure as the bottom. However, on this vehicle, the bolt is on the other side of the frame. Be sure to have a firm grip on the shock itself when you remove the bolt, for the bolt is the only thing holding the shock in place. Here is the rear shock. The job of the rear shock is to give you a more comfortable ride. This achieves its goal by reducing oscillations, which reduces the bounce. The installation procedure is simply the reverse of the removal procedure, with an added step which would be the torquing. The torque specification is 79 foot-pounds on both bolts. Use the torque as a ratchet until you hear a big click.
Click! Good job, boss.
Congratulations, you have about finished your rear shock replacement. Now all you gotta do now is remove your standing jack and then just sit back and relax.
Whoa.